ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। बाल्यादिष्वपि जाग्रदादिषु तथा सर्वास्वस्थास्वपि व्यावृत्तास्वनुवर्तमानमहमित्यन्तःस्फुरन्तं सदा स्वात्मानं प्रकटीकरोति भजतां यो मुद्रया भद्रया तस्मै श्रीगुरुमूर्तये नम इदं श्रीदक्षिणामूर्तये। पूर्वपक्ष tried to establish that this pratyabhijna is not a pramanam, it is only a smriti, and smriti cannot be pramanam. Whether the vishaya is still existing or not, we do not know, because the knowledge of the past experience and the object, both of them, they are not available anymore when they are recollected later, and therefore it is not pramanam. And also the anubhuta vishaya in 11th vartika we saw anubhuti vishishta padartha and padartha vishishta anubhuti. Both of them are unavailable. So the answer is given from 12th vartika, which we had seen, that the smriti is not only smriti, this is the pramata chaitanya with the upadhi is recollecting the experience based on the present anubhava, praktana anubhava of the previous one, kadachit jata anubhava, and its samskaras are there which are recollected now. So further that is explained. Evam jayamana smriti hi kim karoti. So smriti which was there earlier, now what does it do? 13th vartika, avedyanubhave nashte tadiyam vishayam prati anubhavakamatmanam बोधयत्यनपायिनम् आवेद्यानुभवे नष्टे तदीयं विषयं प्रति अनुभावकमात्मानं बोधयत्यनपायिनम्। आवेद्य अनुभवे नष्टे, आंग पूर्वक विद धातु आवेद्य अनुभव. So experience which was there earlier, even when that anubhava is nashta, tadiyam vishayam prati anubhavakam atmanam anapayinam. Anapayi means avinashinam. that Atma which is not destroyed, that is recollected. So really speaking, in Smriti, we think that we are trying to recollect the object, what was experienced earlier. But in Pratyabhijna, what is happening is, I am recollecting the fact that I was the experiencer earlier and I am the experiencer now. So in Smriti, it is only that Vishaya, Prameya Vastu, which was recollected. And in Pratyabhijna, Pramata is being recollected. This is the difference. Recollected and recognized. The word used is recognized. That's why it is called recognition. What is recognition? Recognition. Earlier there was cognition, now there is recognition. Avedyasya samyak vedaniyasya anubhave nashte. Avedya means that whose experience had happened earlier, samyak vedaniya. Tasya anubhave nashte. So anubhava is over, it has died. Tadiyam vishayam avedyam prati yah purvam anubhavako anubhavita atma tam atmanam anapayinam nityam ekam bodhayati jnapayati smritihi iti shesha. Anubhave nashte tadiyam vishayam avedyam prati. That same vishaya, avedyam means that which was known very well, avedyam prati यह पूर्वम अनुभावकः आत्मा. अनुभावक means अनुभविता. अनुभविता, अनुभव शब्द is अनु उपसर्ग पूर्वक भू धातु अनुभवम. So अनुभव will be lut pratyaya, and if you do trich pratyaya then it will become अनुभवितृ. अनुभवितृ प्रथमा एक वचन will be अनुभविता. Anubhavita Atma, the experiencer, the one who experienced. Anubhavita Atma tam Atmanam Anapayinam Nityam Ekam Bodhayati. It experiences the Anapayinam. Anapayinam means indestructible, means Nityam. नित्यम एकम बोधयति, आत्मानं बोधयति, ज्ञापयति इति स्मृतिः इति शेषः. ज्ञापयति, ज्ञा धातु, इट इज णिजंत रूप, णिच प्रत्यय. स्मृतिः इति शेषः. तथा च पूर्वानुभव जनित संस्कारात् पूर्वानुभूतं विषयं स्मरन् इदानीन्तन विषय अनुभव समनन्तरम एवं मन्यते पुरुषः. पूर्व अनुभव जनित संस्कारात्, संस्कारास which were formed earlier, based on that पूर्वानुभूतं विषयं स्मरन्, विषय which was experienced earlier, recollecting that इदानीन्तन विषय अनुभव समनन्तरम एवं मन्यते. इदानीन्तन विषय अनुभव समनंतरम. So later after that experience, now evam manyate purushah, person thinks in this way. What a beautiful way he has put it here. See, yoham purvam hasti naraturagadi sankulam rajyam anubhavam soham adya himagiri kuhara guha parisara प्रपतन मंदाकिनी घोषम अनुभवामि इति आत्मानं प्रत्यभिजानाति. I, the one who experienced the kingdom earlier, Rajyam Anubhavam, and Rajyam had what? Hasti, elephants, Nara, human beings, people, Turaga, horses, Adi Sankulam, so many things were there in that kingdom I experienced. So it could be that he was king earlier and he experienced, or he lived in city where so many things were there. Oh, I experienced all these big roads, big cars, so many malls, people, etc., etc. Soham, that same I, Adya, now, Himagiri, Kuhara, Guha Parisara, Prapatan, in this Himagiri mountain, Kuhara Guha, somewhere in Badrinath or in Kedarnath, mostly Badrinath, Parisara, in that compound of the cave, Prapatan Mandakini Ghosham. Mandakini, Mataji is there, Mandakini river. So Mandakini, Alakananda, Bhagirathi, all these are different names of Gangaji only, Janvi. They are all there. Once I was thinking suddenly, when one group of students graduate, all of them should be named like this only. Mandakini, Bhagirathi, Alakananda, Janvi, ityadi. So Saraswati, Yamuna, they are different. These are all Gangaji's names only. Mandakini Ghosham Anubha. So he is remembering the Ghosha. Like in Gangotri, you know, that sound keeps coming. And you can enjoy that sound of Gangaji all the time. Where I grew up, we used to hear ocean all the time, right? In Mumbai, because it was right next to our house. So first time when I moved out of the house, it felt odd because you couldn't hear the sound of ocean. Waves were not there. See, Gangaji, that if it is falling, then there is sound. If it is just flowing, then there is no sound. But waves in ocean, all the time you can hear the sound. So I alone, who heard the oceanic sound, who lived in the city, is now listening to Gangaji's sound. This Pratyabhijna is about aham, that I am the same, soham. Evam janmantariyam api vishayam smaran janmantariyam api atmanam pratyabhijanati puman. And it can happen that in the previous life something we had experienced, that also we are able to recollect, sometimes in dreams, sometimes somebody just reminds something and those samskaras become jagrat. Like it is said for Ramana Maharshi Ji, when he heard Arunachala, just that word, and some samskaras became awakened and said, oh, I have to go there now. So earlier Janma he must have had those sanskaras. So through that, the Vishaya Smaranam Pratyabhijna of Atma takes place. Atmanam Pratyabhijanati Puman iti Smriti Dwaratvat Pratyabhijnanasya Smriti eva Pratyabhijna iti Abhihitam iti Bhavaha. Smriti is the gate to Pratyabhijna. Smriti Dwaratvat Pratyabhijnanasya. And therefore Smriti eva Pratyabhijna iti Abhihitam iti Bhavaha. Somebody may think Smriti alone is Pratyabhijna. Means it is considered in the Gauna way that Smriti is Pratyabhijna. Further, he explains what is it. Vedya Vedanayor Vyavruttavapi Vedita na Vyavartate Atopi Veditatma Nitya Ityaha. Vedya Vastu, Vishaya, and Vedana, the knowledge, even when they are Vyavritta, Nashta, when they are destroyed. So neither knowledge is there nor the object is there. But the knower of the two continues. So earlier Purvapakshi had said that how do you consider this as valid? Because in general, people, when they think of Smriti, their attention is on Vishaya. And in Pratyabhijna, the attention is not on Vishaya, the attention is on Vishayi. So Veditatma Nitya, Atopi, for this reason also. Vishaye cha pramushite nashte cha anubhave sati svavishrantam smaratyartham devo pramushitas sada. विषये च प्रमुषिते नष्टे च अनुभवे सति स्वविश्रान्तं स्मरत्यर्थं देवो प्रमुषितः सदा. प्रमुषित, मुष धातु is for destruction. मुष्णाति प्रउपसर्ग पूर्वक. So मुषिते नष्टे, मुषिते मीन्स नष्टे. विषये च प्रमुषिते नष्टे च अनुभवे. When विषय is also destroyed, अनुभव is also destroyed. प्रमुषिते विषये नष्टे अनुभवे सति स्वविश्रांतम अर्थम सदा अप्रमुषितः देवः स्मरति. देवः मीन्स आत्मा. Atma is called Deva. Apramushitaha. Apramushitaha, indestructible. Sada apramushitaha, that which is never destroyed. Swavishrantam means swasmin sthitam. Samskaram, sanskaram in singular. Smarati. So he remembers the Vishaya through the impressions. So he is there. Vishaya may be destroyed, that experience is gone, but I am there. Pramushite nashte swavishrantam swatmani samskar rupena vilinam ityarthaha. Deva atma apramushitaha anantarhitaha. Anantarhita. Antarhita means the one who has an end. Anantarhita means that which does not have any end. Katham devo apramushitaha sada eva iti uchyate. How do you say this Atma is there all the time? Why? Tasya sushupti pralayoho pramoshana sambhavat iti atah. In sushupti, isn't there destruction of this Atma? Atma means Pramata. Or this, at the time of pralaya, isn't there is destruction? Or death also you can include. Pramoshana sambhavat, destruction is possible. Iti ataha. Pramoshanam pramatrina Mayaya tamasa kritam Maya vidye prabho shakti Prabho shakti Bhano shaya prabhopame Pramoshanam pramatrena Mayaya tamasa kritam Maya vidye prabho shakti Bhanushchaya prabhopame. Pramatrinam Pramoshanam Mayaya tamasa kritam. Of the Pramata or Pramatas, Bahuvachan, Shashti Bahuvachan is Pramatrinam, Pramoshanam, destruction. is created by the tamoguna of Maya. Maya tamasa kritam. Maya and Vidya. Here Maya Vidya is Maya cha Vidya cha. Not Maya and Avidya like in Panchadashi or in Tattva Anusandhanam how you saw this morning. Maya cha Vidya cha. Maya Vidya Prabho Shakti. They are the two powers of Paramatma, Atma. Prabho Shakti. Bhanushchaya Prabhopame. They are like the Prabha of Bhanu and Chaya of Bhanu. Upama, Upame. Upame means they are the two similes. Bhanoho Chaya cha Prabha cha Chaya Prabhopame. So Maya is like Chaya and Vidya is like Prabha. How? See in Tika. What the main point here is that because of presence of Upadhi, we think Pramata is there. Atma is there as Pramata because of Upadhi. And Atma is not there, we think, when Upadhis are absent. Atma is there all the time. It is the presence or absence of Upadhi, like in deep sleep, like at the time of death or at the time of Pralaya. What is present and absent is, or what is absent is Upadhi. And at other times, Upadhi is present. So we think Atma is present only when Upadhi is there, but that is the work of Maya. Maikam eva Atmanah Pramoshanam, na Parmarthikam. Destruction of Atma is only Maika. Means Atma is not destroyed, only appearance is there. Like sun is covered by the cloud, Chaya. So people think, oh, sun is covered. Covering of sun is only Maikam, na Paramarthikam. Tacha Vishesha Akar Anavabhasa Matram, na Swarupa Nasha Rupam. Only Vishesha Akara is not available anymore. Vishesha Akara Anavabhasa Matram Pramoshanam. Na Swarupa Nashanam. It is not in the form of destruction of its Swarupa. Tasmat Avidya tat karyopadhi avivekat upadhishu praliyamaneshu atmapi pralino nashta iti brahma ityartha. Avidya tat karya upadhi vivekat. And because of ignorance and its effect, avidya tat karya, which is the upadhi, avivekat, upadhya vivekat, means upadhi avivekat. When there is no viveka about it, upadhishu praliyamaneshu. So when upadhis are destroyed, atmapi pralino nashta iti brahma ityartha. One may think Atma is destroyed. Maya Rupo माया रूप उपादेः आत्मावरणस्य अनादि भाव रूपत्वेन अनुच्छेद्यत्वाद आत्मनो मोक्षा भाव प्रसंग इति आशंक्य. माया रूप उपादेः आत्म आवरणस्य, माया रूप उपाधि which is the avarana of on atma, anadi bhava rupatvena, it is beginningless, anadi, and therefore maya upadhi will never go. Anuchhedyatvat atmano moksha bhava prasanga, when will maya end? Maya will never end. So which is the karanam for all upadhi, so it will be there all the time. Then there is the पॉइंट ऑफ नो लिबरेशन मोक्ष अभाव प्रसंग इति आशंक्य विद्या अपोद्यत्वान् मायायाः अविद्यामात्रत्वात् तस्याश्च अनिर्वचनीयत्वात् न उक्तदोष। विद्या अपोद्यत्वात् मायायाः, माया इज एलिमिनेटेड बाय विद्या, दैट्स व्हाई माया विद्या टू आर गिवन। मायायाः अविद्यामात्रत्वात्, माया इज ओनली लाइक erroneous thinking, तस्याश्च अनिर्वचनीयत्वात् न उक्तदोष, and it is anirvachaniya means neither sat nor asat nor sadasat न उक्तदोष इति अभिप्रेत्य माया विद्ययोः एकत्र पूर्वापर भावेन संगतिम आह, and therefore maya and vidya they are purvapara. When maya is there, at that time vidya is not there, but when vidya comes then maya goes away. So one should not think that as long as maya is there, how will vidya come? Vidya will come when sattva guna increases within maya and it is able to eliminate the avarana and vikshepa. So the rajogunatmaka vikshepa and tamogunatmaka avarana both are destroyed. पूर्वापर भावेन संगति माह माया विद्ये प्रभो शक्ति, प्रभो आत्मनः ईश्वरस्य शक्ति सामर्थ्ये, दे बोथ आर द पावर्स ऑफ ईश्वर, आभ्याम बंध मोक्षौ भवतः, बिकॉज ऑफ दैट देयर इज बॉन्डेज एंड लिबरेशन। स्वात्मनि अनुभवति इति अनयोः शक्तित्वम् उपचारात् उच्यते। देयरफॉर their shakti of Paramatma, it is upachara. Upachara means it is just a way of saying. Upacharad uchyate. Na vastutah, not in reality. यतो असंगस्य अलुप्त प्रकाश स्वभावस्य अविद्यात्मक मायाश्रयत्वं व्याहतम्। यतः सिंस असंगस्य अलुप्त प्रकाश स्वभावस्य आत्मा whose chaitanya is, which is asanga rupa and whose chaitanya is alupta prakasha swabhav, so whose chaitanya never goes away, aviparilupta chaitanya, nahi drashtuhu drashter viparilopo vidyate। दृष्टा की दृष्टि का लोप नहीं होता और दृष्टि के दृष्टा का लोप नहीं होता। सुरेश्वराचार्य जी इन वार्तिका एक्सप्लेन्स बोथ वे। द्रष्टुः दृष्टेः लोप न विद्यते, दृष्टेः द्रष्टुः विपरिलोप न विद्यते। इन दिस अविद्यात्मक मायाश्रयत्वं व्याहतम्। सो असंगस्य अलुप्त प्रकाश स्वभावस्य अविद्यात्मक मायाश्रयत्वं व्याहतम्। अविद्यात्मक मायाश्रयत्वं is व्याहतम्। व्याहतम् means it is eliminated. So since Chaitanya is getting deluded by Maya or Avidya, that part is eliminated. Or Chaitanya is hidden, covered, that is also eliminated. Means really speaking, nothing happens to Asanga Atma. That is why that Asanga Visheshana is given. And Chaitanya is never gone. It is Alupta Prakasha. Jnana Swarupasya cha आगंतुक ज्ञान अनपेक्षत्वात् तद आश्रयत्व अयोगः। ज्ञान स्वरूप आत्मा डज नॉट हैव आगंतुक ज्ञान अपेक्षा, आगंतुक ज्ञान अनपेक्षत्वात्. So it is not that knowledge has come, knowledge is coming and going in Atma, knowledge is ever there. And in that the Drishtanta is of the Rahu here. Atra Drishtantamaha Bhanoho Chhaya Prabha. So Chhaya means Rahu. It is called Chhaya Graha. So actually this Rahu Grasta Divakarendra and all actually and Pratyabhignayate, this is also there in 6th shloka, but we are seeing all the discussion in 7th shloka because the Purva Paksha was raised on that. यथा राहुर वस्तुतो भानुव संबद्धोपि तत् संबंधितया प्रतीयमानः तदाच्छादकः. Even though Rahu is not having any association with sun, but as if it is sambandhi, associated, sambandhitaya pratiyamanah, tad achhadakah, it covers the sun. Evam maya api vastutah atma asambandhini. In the same way, Maya is also unassociated with Atma. Asambandhini api Atma Tattva Achhadika. It covers the Atma Tattva. Prabha Drishtantastu Swarupasyaiva Satah Kenachin Nimittena Dharmitva Vyavahara Siddhyartha. And the Prabha Drishtanta is Swarupasyaiva Satah. Even though in Swarupa it is there, but Kenachit Nimittena Dharmitva Vyavahara Siddhyartha. So Prabha of the sun is not its dharma. So it is not that sun is dharmi, Prabha is dharma. Prabha is Swarupa only. But because of some nimitta, as though there is dharma dharmi. In the same way people think Atma, Atma's illumination, Atma's Chaitanya. So there is dharma and dharma. But really speaking, Atma is Chaitanya. So Prabha is not the dharma of Atma, Prabha is Swarupa of Atma. Uktayoho Maya Vidyayoho Karyam Aha. Now of the Maya and Vidya, the Karyam is given. Sarvanachhadayen Maya, Sarvanachhadayen Vidya Vyakshipya Darshayet Pratyabhignaiva Sarvesham Pramananancha Sadhanam. सर्वानाच्छादयेन माया विद्या व्याक्षिप्य दर्शयेत् प्रत्यभिज्ञैव सर्वेषां प्रमाणाञ्च साधनम्. सर्वान् माया आच्छादयेत् विद्या व्याक्षिप्य दर्शयेत्. Maya, what does it do? It covers everything. Vidya, what does it do? It removes the avarana and reveals everything. Vyakshipya means vyavritya. Pratyabhignya eva sarvesham pramananam cha sadhanam. In all of them, Pratyabhignya is the sadhanam of all the pramana. And in Tika it is a pramana and apramana of all. Sarvan iti. Sarvan pramatrin ityartha. All pramata means Vishaya and its jnanam, it is not the topic of discussion. Pramata is the topic of discussion. Pramata is covered by Maya. Vyakshipya vyavritya udvasya ityartha. And what does Vidya do? It removes the avarana, व्यावृत्य उद्वास्य इत्यर्थः। कथं सर्वावरणभूतां मायाम् अपावृत्य जीवानां तत्त्वं विद्या दर्शयेत्। तस्याः जड़त्वात्। सो सर्व आवरणभूता माया विच कवर्स ऑल, हाउ डज विद्या मायाम अपावृत्य, हैविंग एलिमिनेटेड माया, जीवानाम तत्वं दर्शयेत्, हाउ डज इट शो? बिकॉज इट वाज सेड इन द श्लोका थ्रू यो मुद्रया भद्रया, थ्रू दी भद्र मुद्रा ऑफ अद्वैत परमात्मा reveals itself. अंतःकरण वृत्ति रूपत्वात् तस्य जीवानां तत्वं विद्या कथं दर्शयेत्? तस्या जड़त्वात्, जड़ा ही विद्या, सो विद्या विल बी जड़. Why? Because vidya is antःकरण वृत्ति रूप, अंतःकरण is jada, and therefore its vikara also will be, this vritti will be jada. तस्या इति, तस्याः अंतःकरण वृत्ति रूपत्वात्, तस्याः कस्या, विद्यायाः, विद्या इज अंतःकरण वृत्ति रूप. विद्या देन अंतःकरण वृत्ति रूपत्वात् तस्या, सो तस्या विल बी विद्यायाः इति आशंक्याः. प्रत्यभिज्ञा एव सर्वेषां प्रमाणानां च साधनं, सर्वेषां प्रमाणानां चकाराद् अप्रमाणानां च साधनं, साधकं प्रत्यभिज्ञा एव. चकार इज फॉर अप्रमाण ऑल्सो, देयर साधनम, साधकम इज प्रत्यभिज्ञा ओनली. प्रत्यभिज्ञायते सर्वेषु अवभासेषु अनुस्यूततया अवगम्यते इति प्रत्यभिज्ञा साक्षी. सर्वेषु अवभासेषु, इन ऑल एक्सपीरियंसेस, व्हाट इज अनुस्यूत इज प्रत्यभिज्ञा. नाउ यू सी व्हाट इज प्रत्यभिज्ञा? साक्षी. So in all experiences, the pratyabhijna is nothing but sakshi. Sa eva sarva vijnana sadhaka. So I already told you earlier that the pratyabhijnayamana is sakshi. In this way you should understand. Pratyabhijna will be jnanam, but here pratyabhijna is in the form of aham. So pratyabhijnayamana is sakshi. Sa eva sarva vijnana sadhaka iti aksharartha. And all knowledge is possible because of is sakshi alone. Vidyayaha swarupato jadatve api अशेष विज्ञान अधिष्ठान साक्षी चैतन्य व्याप्ततया तप्तायः पिंडवद आपन्न प्रकाशत्वात् सा माया निवारण समर्था इति भावः. विद्यायाः स्वरूपतो जड़त्वे अपि, विद्या इन इट्स स्वरूप इज जड़, जड़त्वे अपि अशेष विज्ञान अधिष्ठान साक्षी चैतन्य व्याप्ततया. But it is the adhisthana, it has the adhisthana as the Sakshi Chaitanya, which is the adhisthana of all Vijnanam. Ashesha Vijnana Adhisthana Sakshi Chaitanya Vyaptataya. How Taptaya Pindavat Apanna Prakashatvat. So Antakkaran Vritti and Chaitanya, between them there is Anyonya Adhyasa, like taptaya pinda, iron, ball and fire. Sa maya nivarana samartha. Sa maya nivarana samartha. Sa ka vidya. Sa vidya maya nivarana samartha iti bhava. Yadva, or another way it is explained. कथम अवगम्यते विद्या व्याक्षिप्य दर्शयेत इति. हाउ डू यू से दैट विद्या Eliminating Maya, it shows the nature of Pramata. How do you say? Tatraha. Pratyabhijna eva iti. सर्वेषां प्रमाणानां प्रमाणवृत्तीनां या प्रत्यभिज्ञा इदम् अज्ञासिषम् अहम् इति आकार सा साधनं विद्यारूप प्रमाणवृत्ति स्वभाव साधकम् of all the pramana and pramana vritti. Sarvesham pramananam pramana vrittinam. Sarvesham pramananam means you should understand pramana vritti. Ya pratyabhijna. What is the nature of pratyabhijna? Idam agnyasisham aham. Idam aham agnyasisham. This was not known to me or unknown to me earlier. Agnyasisham should be Gnya dhatu lung. लुंग ज्ञा अवबोधने लुंग उत्तम पुरुष एक वचनम. So this I had known earlier in this way. सा साधनम, सा विद्या साधनम विद्या रूप प्रमाण, सा विद्या या सा प्रत्यभिज्ञा साधनम विद्या रूप प्रमाण वृत्ति स्वभाव साधकम. So what does it do? विद्या रूप प्रमाण वृत्ति स्वभाव साधकम. विद्या रूप प्रमाण वृत्ति, it does the sadhakam of that. In other words, it does the siddhi of the pramata. Pramana vritti swabhava sadhakam. So literally the meaning is that it is the sadhaka of the pramana vritti, means jnana. But when jnanam is established, means the jnata is there, and that jnata is there all the time. Vyavrittasu anuvartamanam. Vidyayaha vishaya avarana tirodhana samarthya pratyayakam ityarthaha. Here Vishaya, so instead of taking Prameya, you take Vishaya as Pramata. So Vidya is, because that is the topic going on, of the Pramata. That's why in the beginning itself, he said Sarvan means Pramatrin. So for all the Pramata, the Avarana Tirodhana Samarthya is there. So I am a continuous presence and I am Chaitanya Swarupa. So my continuous presence is never refuted. And Upadhi Laya can be there. At the time of Sushupti, what has happened is not that I am not there. I am not available for Vyavahara. Similarly, at the time of death also, I am not available for Vyavahara. It is just like in the world now. If somebody's phone is switched off, then we say they are not available for Vyavahara, phone Vyavahara. And if their door is closed and outside if it is written, do not disturb, D&D sign is there hanging, do not disturb, means what? They are not available for Vyavahara. So that doesn't mean they are not existing. They are not available. In the same way, death also is not available for Vyavahara. Or you can say he is changing clothes. If he is going to come back in another body, he is changing costume. That's all. This is Pratyabhijnanam. Athava, another interpretation he gives. Keyam Vidya, what is this Vidya? Ya avidyam vyakshipya sarvesham tattvam pradarshayet इति आकांक्षायाम् आह. That which avidyam vyakshipya, having destroyed avidya, eliminated avidya, sarvesham pramatrinam tattvam pradarshayet. Other vishayas, of course, it reveals the tattva, but here more importantly of the pramata. Iti ashankayam aha. प्रत्यभिज्ञा एव. प्रति प्रत्ययम प्रति विषयम च प्रकाशकतया प्रत्यभिज्ञायते. प्रकर्षेण अभितो अनवच्छेदेन ज्ञायते यह प्रत्यगात्मा साक्षी सा प्रत्यभिज्ञा. यह प्रत्यगात्मा साक्षी, दैट विच इज प्रत्यगात्मा साक्षी, दैट इज प्रत्यभिज्ञा. एंड व्हाट इज दैट? प्रति प्रत्ययम, इन एवरी थॉट. प्रति विषयम च, इन एवरी विषय. प्रकाशकतया प्रत्यभिज्ञायते, दैट विच इज देयर एज प्रकाशक ऑफ एवरी ज्ञानम, एवरी ज्ञेयम, दैट विच इज प्रेजेंट ऑल द टाइम, दैट इज मी. एंड बिकॉज ऑफ उपाधि आई एम एबल टू डू अदर व्यवहार. इन एब्सेंस ऑफ उपाधि और उपाधि विलये आई एम नॉट अवेलेबल फॉर व्यवहार. दैट साक्षी प्रत्यभिज्ञा. प्रत्यभिज्ञा प्रकर्षेण अभितो अनवच्छेदेन ज्ञायते. प्रत्यभिज्ञायते. प्रकर्षेण मीन्स इन इट्स फुल फॉर्म, फुल फोर्स. अभितः सर्वतः. अनवच्छेदेन विदाउट एनी अवच्छेद कंडीशनिंग ज्ञायते यह प्रत्यगात्मा साक्षी. दैट प्रत्यगात्मा साक्षी सा प्रत्यभिज्ञा, दैट इज प्रत्यभिज्ञा. यतः सर्वप्रमाणानां साधनं सर्वप्रमाण वृत्तांत अभिज्ञानात्मकम् इत्यर्थः. सर्वप्रमाणानां साधनं, दैट विच डज द सिद्धि ऑफ ऑल प्रमाण. ऑल प्रमाण, प्रमाण प्रमाता प्रमेय प्रमा. प्रमाता च प्रमाणं च प्रमेय प्रमेयम प्रमितिस्तथा यस्य प्रसादात् सिद्ध्यन्ति तत्सिद्धौ किम अपेक्षते. फॉर इट्स सिद्धि, बिकॉज ऑफ हुज प्रेजेंस प्रमाता प्रमाण प्रमेय प्रमिति एवरीथिंग इज नोन. प्रत्यगात्मा साक्षी सा प्रत्यभिज्ञा. यतः सर्वप्रमाणानां साधनं सर्वप्रमाण वृत्तांत अभिज्ञानात्मकम् इत्यर्थः. सर्वप्रमाण वृत्तांत अभिज्ञानात्मकम्. वृत्तांत मीन्स all praman vrittis where they culminate. Vrittant, sarva praman vrittanta means pramata. It's abhijnanatmakam ityartha. So in this way this is explained. Now tameva pratyabhijnam swarupato nirdishati ishvaro nyati. That pratyabhijna alone in its swarupa is explained. ईश्वरोऽन्योऽहमप्यन्य इति विच्छेदकारिणी व्याक्षिप्य विद्यया माया मीश्वरोऽहमिति स्मृतिः. ईश्वरोऽन्योऽहमप्यन्य इति विच्छेदकारिणी व्याक्षिप्य विद्यया माया मीश्वरोऽहमिति स्मृतिः. ईश्वरो अन्यः, अहमपि अन्य. परमात्मा इज डिफरेंट, ब्रह्मन इज डिफरेंट, आई एम डिफरेंट. दिस काइंड ऑफ विच्छेदकारिणी मायां व्याक्षिप्य विद्यया अहम ईश्वरः इति स्मृतिः प्रत्यभिज्ञा. दिस स्मृतिः इज प्रत्यभिज्ञा, दैट यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड. मीन्स व्हाट इज माया? आई एम डिफरेंट, ब्रह्म इज डिफरेंट. व्हाट इज विद्या? आई एम ब्रह्म. So Vidya destroys this notion of difference. Smritihi pratyabhijna iti sheshaha. So at the end you have to understand this Smriti is called pratyabhijna. Now they are constantly using the word Smriti. So you have to understand in Bhagavad Gita also, Nashto mohaha smritir labda. So there Smriti means pratyabhijna. Because only meaning of Smriti if you take, then Smriti will be what? They are only recollecting some objects, sanskara. So for Arjuna, what will be the recollection? So there also Smriti means pratyabhijna. In this way you should understand. Yadva maya svabhavam anudya tasya vidyaya apabadhane sati स्वयमेव स्वरूप आविर्भावः प्रत्यभिज्ञा इति दर्शयति ईश्वरो अन्यो अहमिति. माया स्वभावम अनुद्य, हैविंग एक्सप्लेन्ड द नेचर ऑफ माया, तस्याः विद्यया अपबादने सति, बाय विद्या इट्स अपबादनम मीन्स डिस्ट्रक्शन टेक्स प्लेस. सी प्रमोशनम, नाश, apabadhana, different words are used for same thing. Apabadhane sati swayameva swarupa avirbhava. By itself the swarupa gets revealed. Swarupa avirbhava. This is pratyabhijna that is explained in this shloka, that I am not different from Paramatma Brahma. Om Purnamadaha पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांति. शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांति शांति शांति. ओम.